Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 105. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9, 9 here, so 1, 7, 1, 7. That means our 9 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 6, 2, and 8 here. Means this is our 6, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 9, 7 here, so 4, 9, 9 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 8. 8 here, so 6, 7. 6 here, so 7, 8. That means the only place our 6 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9. 3, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 2 here, so 5, 8. 5 and 8 here, so 1, 2. 2, 5, and 8 here makes this our 1, 2. 2 and 8 here makes this our 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 covering both of these boxes, so this must be our 9. I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. But that 9 makes this our 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. And I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 9. 9 covering both of these boxes, and a 5 here means this is our 7. That 9 means this is our 5, 9. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 9. 9 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 3, 7. That 2 makes this our 4, 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. And that 4 and 7 makes this our 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.